Hi everybody, welcome to this week's Make It Monday. Happy spring. We are so excited that we have finally made it to spring, aren't we? I think everyone's excited about this. Let's enjoy this nice weather. So to celebrate this week's Make It Monday and this week's Go Packs are all tied together as they have been for the last couple weeks, and I'm going to show you what's in this week's bag. So you are going to get a seed. It's a little seed ball. You are going to get some dirt. You are going to get, you are going to get a little planner and this little tiny, it's for the bottom of the planner so it can collect the water. You are going to get a plant marker, and this is so that after it grows and you plant it outside, here's this cute little marker that says these are your plants. And then of course to decorate it, we are going to give you some markers. So you can make this really pretty, you can decorate it however you want. You are going to get the directions and how to find this on YouTube. And you are going to get this really cute bookmark. And this little flower is also something that you can plant outside. So isn't that cool? So not only can you use it as bookmark, but then it's useful too. So this is what you're going to do to plant your seed. You're going to take the dirt that's already been packaged for you, and you are going to put it, I'm gonna make a mess. You're gonna put it right into your, and look, I was right, I made a mess. You know what? I can't wait till we're back and we can have these messy projects all the time. Here we go. So you see the dirt? You're gonna put it in just like this. And then you're gonna take your little seed ball, and you don't really have to bury it very far. You just kind of have to stick it in and just kind of put the dirt right over it, just like this. And then you're gonna want to give it a little bit of water. Like I said, this bottom will collect the extra water. Let it go, and hopefully in a few weeks, you are gonna have some really cool flowers. You can take them outside and replant them in your yard, or maybe put them in a bigger pot, put them on your patio. So I hope you love this project. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's a great way to celebrate the beginning of spring. So I hope to see you in here to pick up one of these packs. We normally have 24 that we give away. This week we're giving away 30, so we've got some extras. I hope to see all of you soon. Next week I will be back. We're going to celebrate National Crayon Day, and we are going to do a really fun melted crayon project. So until then, I hope everybody gets outside and enjoys, hopefully, some sunny weather. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.